Hey everyone, I'm going to show you an amazing tool, and that is Eagle Access Control System. This gate operator is made for residential and light commercial use, and it can handle gates up to 27 feet long or 60 pounds with ease. And this one have the amazing feature is that foot release. It means if the power goes out, you can step on the built-in paddle and simply push the gate open. Quick, safe and easy. No stress, you stay in control. And this modern installation is fast and clean, perfect for your local installer. It also comes packed with features like auto closure time, motor brake, stop and reverse safety, open pass mode to prevent tailgating, and 24-watt DC output for magnetic locks, 24-watt AC output for accessories, and partially open feature for quick access, open and close delay for smooth traffic control. And you will also get a strong zinc plated steel frame, audio alarm, and pre-wired terminal for your remote. And there are a lot more features in it. And this backed by a 5-year residential warranty and built with American quality. The Eagle-1000-foot release is a made to last. So if you want a gate operator that's smart, strong and made in the USA, choose the Eagle-1000-foot release. Trusted by homeowners and pros across the country.